Yes, now be reader. Page 59, question 11. Did everyone read the question? So answer me 2 points of differences. How is it different in all the questions done so far? 2 points of differences. Raise your hand. How is it different from the earlier questions done so far up till now? Panel?
Fully subscribed.
No, we have done full subscription earlier also. There is not a point of difference. Sharma?
Yes, sir. Firstly, date is mentioned. And
Correct. Sit down. Whose mobile is on? Put it off. Yes, first point of difference, dates are given. So far, none of the questions dates have been given. In this question, dates are given. Will not write the serial numbers, will write the dates. Raise your hand. Second point of difference. Anyone else? Niyati?
the subscription was closed after the all the
Irrelevant. Darshan?
Authorized capital.
Irrelevant. Vrishti? Yes. Last sentence. We will make journal entries of non-cash transactions except cash. And we will make bank account. Now, look at the things carefully. So, 2 important points in this question. 1, dates are given. And second, all entries will not come in journal. Non-cash entries will come in journal and cash transactions will come in bank account. Now, how to do it, be reader? Don't mark it as important question. Less expected in exams. Okay? Authorized capital of Mansoori Limited of Dahod was 7 lakh equity shares of 10 each. What did we discuss earlier with authorized capital? Ignore. And then authorized capital and then 7 lakhs, right? Ignore. Means in the journal entries you'll ignore that. On 4th July 2017, company issued 4,50,000 equity shares at a premium of rupees 16 per share for public subscription. So how many shares are issued? 4,50,000. What is the face value? Not 16, cannot be. 16 is premium. Read it carefully. It is mentioned in authorized capital 7 lakh shares of 10 each, means face value is 10. And what is the premium? 16 rupees. Okay, once again. 16 is the premium, not 6. How many shares are issued? 4,50,000. Face value? 10 rupees and premium is 16. For public subscription, amount was called up for share as under. Dates are given on 4th July 2017. Company has called rupees 10 per share, including premium of 6 per share with application. Out of 10 rupees, 6 rupees is premium. So how much is towards the face value? 4 rupees. On 4th August 2017, rupees 14 per share, including premium of 10 per share with allotment. 14 minus 10, 4 is towards the face value. And on 4th September 2017, 2 per share with first and final call. How much is application towards the face value? 4 rupees. Allotment towards the face value? 4. 4 plus 4? 8. And final call to 10. And in bracket you can see premium is 6 plus 10? 16. Any confusions? The subscription was closed on 6th July 2017 as it was fully subscribed. So when you close the subscription or allot the shares, then we will transfer application money to share capital. If date of allotment is given separately, suppose that subscription was closed on 6th July, then company allotted the shares on 7th July. Then application money you will transfer to share capital on 7th July. But here we assume company closed the subscription on 6th July, means they allotted the shares also on 6th July. So when will you transfer application money to share capital? 6th July. Close the subscription means company stopped receiving the applications on 6th July. After that, they prohibited. No one can apply for the shares after 6th July. Did you understand this? Board of Directors allotted all the shares of share application, means they allotted on the same date, 6th July. Now, Abdul holding 600 shares did not pay money due on allotment and first and final call. What is that? Calls and entries. Whereas Harun holding 400 shares did not pay first and final call, calls in arrears. But which installments Abdul has not paid? Allotment as well as final call. And Harun has not paid only final call. Except this, all sums due were received by the following dates. Share allotment money is received by 7th August and share first and final call money is received by 7th September. So entries of receiving allotment and call money we will pass on these dates. Okay? Entries of receiving allotment and call money we will pass on these dates. Now, pass necessary journal entries at line except for cash. We studied in 11th, cash means it includes cash and bank transactions both. Except for cash means when whichever entries bank account comes, that you don't have to record in journal book. For that they say in the books of company for about transactions and also prepare. So bank account is like a cash book. Wherever bank account comes, that entry we will directly record in bank. Okay, and as such, big companies don't make only journal book, they maintain subsidiary books. So they will be making cash books separately and journal proper separately. This is how we have to record it. Non-cash transactions in journal book and cash transaction means wherever bank comes in, bank account. And if there is a combined entry like bank calls in areas to share allotment or share call, then bank portion will come in bank account and calls in areas portion will come in journal book. Did everyone understand this? So we don't pass combined entry here, we'll have to pass two single entries. Receiving the money will come in bank account and whatever is not received calls in areas that will come in journal. Okay, workings will be done in the same manner. So let us first make the workings. The columns we have done earlier are installments. Then after installments, face value plus premium total and then calls in areas of two people are there. Abdul, Harun and Toby. Did you understand this? Now 3 installments are there: application, allotment and final call. Application is 10 including premium of 6. So how will we write an application? 4 plus 6, 10. Same way allotment is 14 including premium of 10. So how will we write? 4 plus 10, 14. And then final call is simply 2. So 2 plus nil, 2. Total face value is 10. Premium is 16. Total is 26. Any confusions? All are clear with this? And Abdul, how many shares does Abdul hold? Where should I write 600? Allotment as well as final call. He has paid, not paid 2 installments. And Harun is holding 400 shares. Where will I write 400? Only in final call. He has not paid only final call. Total calls in areas in allotment 600 and final call 1000. Any doubts with this? Now make one page format of journal or whatever is remaining. 3/4 will also be sufficient, slightly more than 3/4. And then bank account around half a page. Okay, less than half page for bank account. So, journal entries in the books of Mansoori Limited. and then bank account in the books of Mansuri Limited. Is a normal ledger account. Date, particulars, JF amount. One more minute for the formats, very fast. Forty-five more seconds. Thirty more seconds. Ten, nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now be attentive. What is the first entry we pass? Bank to share application. Will that come in journal book or bank account? Bank. Now, see here, if you see the shares are issued on 4th July. First paragraph. On which date are the shares issued? When you issue the shares, then only you ask the application money. Even if you see the middle information. Then you see on 4th July 2017, 10 per share including premium of 6 per share is called with application, same dates. Means when you issue the shares on 4th July, 16, 6 plus 4, 10 rupees is called for application money. So when will we receive the application money? 4th July. So in bank account debit side, bank account debit means debit side. All entries will come in bank account debit side only, except refund. Refund comes on the payment side. So all entries will come on the receipt side. So write down date 4th July 2017 to equity share application account. Okay, bank account debit to equity share application account. So bank account debit side to equity share application account. Now here it is full subscription. Is it given 450 lakhs shares issued but received more than that applications? Means full subscription. So first to last all entries with 4,50,000 shares into. Will we receive 4 or 6 or 10? 10. Yesterday we have done it. Okay, so 4,50,000 into 10, 45 lakhs. Any doubts in this? 4,50,000 shares issued multiplied by 10 rupees, 45 lakhs, full subscription. Okay, next. So in bank account narrations will not come. Okay, next. After receiving the application money, equity share application account debit to share capital and also to security premium. It includes premium. This will come in journal or bank? Journal. This is a non-cash transaction will come in journal. Are you able to differentiate which things will come in journal and which ones in bank account? So in journal book. Now, When was the subscription closed? 6th July. So on that date, company will allot the shares and transfer the money to share capital. Because the date of allotting the shares is not given separately. If it is given separately, then you will transfer money to share capital on the date of allotting the shares. Okay. So 6th July 2017, when the subscription is closed, we'll transfer this money. Equity, share, application, account, debit, with full amount 45 lakhs. As we used to do it in journal. Equity, share, application, account, debit with full amount 45 lakhs. 2. Equity, share, capital, account. All entries we have to pass with how many shares? 4,50,000 into face value is 4. Yesterday we discussed share capital with face value. What is face value? 4. So 18 lakhs. And 2. Security premium account with 4,50,000 into premium is 6, so 27 lakhs. Premium you all can see is 6 rupees, so 4,50,000 into 6, security premium with 27 lakhs. Any doubts for this? B. Application money transferred to share capital account and security premium account. Two entries of application are done. Now 2 entries of allotment. What is the first entry of allotment? Share allotment to share capital to security premium. Journal or cash book? Journal. It is a non-cash transaction. Now see, middle paragraph. When did the company ask for allotment money? 4th August 2017. Do you all find that date? So there the allotment money will become due. 4th August 2017. Equity, share, allotment, account, debit to equity, share, capital account to security premium account. Now all entries we have to pass with how many shares? 4,50,000. Will you debit allotment with 4 or 10 or 14? 14. So 4,50,000 into 14, 45 plus 8. So 63 lakhs. Then equity share capital with face value of 4 rupees. 4,50,000 into 4, 18 lakhs. And security premium with premium of 10 rupees. So 4,50,000 into 10, 45 lakhs. Any doubts with this? B. Allotment money due on $4,50,000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 14 each, including premium of rupees 10. Okay. Now after allotment money due, allotment money received. Do we have calls in areas in allotment? Single entry or combined entry? Here single entry. Bank portion will come in bank account. Calls in arrears portion will come in journal. Did you understand this? First we'll record calls in arrears so that amount of bank can be easily obtained. So first we'll record in journal. See the next page. See this first page, last sentence. Except this, all the sums due were received by the following dates. So when did we receive? Next page, allotment money. 7th August. Do you all find that on the next page? So receipt of allotment entry will come on 7th August. 7th August 2017. Here we will record only calls in arrears. Calls in arrears account debit to equity share allotment account. And directly from here amount 600 into 14, 8,400. Directly we get from the workings. Calls in arrears are 600 into 14, 8,400. Did you all understand this? Everyone must be showing the calculations in bracket, otherwise I'll tear the pages. Calculations are very important in this chapter. All I've shown this 600 into 14, 8,400. Make it sure, otherwise really I'll tear the pages when I move around. B. Allotment money not received on 600 shares. Did you understand this? Now whatever allotment money is received, bank account debit, that will come in bank account. Debit side, same date 7th August 2017 to equity share allotment account, same opposite account, to equity share allotment account. Okay, bank account debit, so bank account debit side, opposite account to equity share allotment account. Now see here, allotment money 63 lakhs minus not received 8,400. In bracket 63 lakhs minus 8,400, 62 lakhs 91,600 is what the company has received. Did you understand this, everyone? Any doubts on it? So same way as we used to do in reverse. Allotment account credit with full amount 63 lakhs. Calls in arrears 8,400. So bank account 63 lakhs minus 8,400, 62 lakh 91,600. So two entries of allotment are done. Now raise your hand. Next entry in where will be recorded? Two entries of application are done, two of allotment are done. Next entry in where will be recorded? Rathod. Correct. Final call does not include premium. So final call money due. See on the previous page, page 59. When did the company call the final call money? 4th September. So in journal book, it's a non-cash transaction. 4th September 2017. Equity share final call account debit to equity share capital account. Okay, it does not include any premium. All entries we have to pass with how many shares? 4,50,000 and into how much is final call money? 2 rupees, so 9 lakhs. Any doubts on this? Is any confusion? Being final call money due on 4,50,000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 2 each. Raise your hand. Next entry and where will we record? Vidhi?
Calls in agents account debit to equity share posted final call account. 1000 into 2000.
Correct. So now, again next sentence we will split in two parts. Calls in areas will record here and money received will record in bank account. So first here, look at the next page. What is the date when final call is received? 7th September. Do you all find it? So 7th September 2017. Calls in areas account debit. To equity share final call account and here 1000 into 2000 are calls in areas. B. Final call money not received on 1000 shares. Raise your hand. What next? Darshan?
In bank account, 1917 to equity,
7970.
7917 to equity share final column.
And what amount?
898,000.
So 9 lakh minus 2000 is what we will receive. So that will come in bank account debit side 7917. Bank account debit means debit side opposite account to equity share final call account. And what we will receive is 9 lakhs minus 2000. Calls in areas not received, so 8,98,000. Did you all understand this portion, everyone? Okay. So 108, 117, 10,400. 1 lakh, 1 crore 17 lakh 10,400. Bank account, no totals, no balance. Leave it as it is. Because company has several other transactions of bank. It is not going to have only these transactions. There are several other receipts and several other payments. This is not whole bank account of the company. Whatever balance we do here is not going to be the correct bank balance of the company. So bank, you have to leave it as it is. No totals and balancing to be done in bank. Did you understand this, everyone? Any doubts with it? So